We've got a new watch in. Today we're going to take a look at the Vaer A5 Tactical Field Watch. So this is not my first Vaer watch. I have the S5 Field Black and the S5 Korean. They reached out to me, asked if I would like to do another review. We agreed on the A5 Automatic. This is a military-inspired watch in a blacked-out configuration. It does feature the 10 ATM water resistance, which is about 100 meters, 330 feet, give or take. 2 years waterproof warranty. They use the Ocean Ready mantra. It has the locking screw-down crown, 318L stainless steel with a nice PVD black coating, single dome sapphire crystal with an AR coating. It is a 20 mil lug, 40 mil case, 48 mil lug to lug, and it is 10.4 mils thick. The movement inside this, fully automatic Minota 9015 movement from Japan. Super accurate, really nice movement. Has a 42-hour power reserve with 28,800 beats per hour. Has a -5 to +15 second time tolerance, which is pretty standard. And it is fully assembled in the United States.
Good night, man.
The dial has the 25 layers of the C3 Super Luminova, as well as the hands. They also have that same C3 Lume. This watch does come in at a pretty reasonable $659 US with the FKM strap, which is right here. Nice rubberized strap. They sent along with this watch the stainless steel PVD coated strap. That is and I believe this is an extra $100 option. And without this strap, you have a choice between, I think, something like this, the nylon, or the single pass-through NATO style strap, which again is really nice looking, especially in the black. So you can get leather, you can get nylon, all sorts of things. And this style of watch is also available with the C5 quartz movement and the S5 solar movement, which is the same as these two watches. I love that solar movement as well. I love the beat rate of the automatic though. So for me, this was a no-brainer.
People love beats. Nobody likes beats.
You do get the two straps, really nice packaging involved as well. The really nice thing about this one so far I really like how the date window is actually outlined. To me, it makes it way easier to read for some reason. This one here, the date window, I don't know if you can even see it in there. The backing is white and the rest of the face is black, and the contrast is nice, but I find it harder to read than this one. The Korean doesn't even have a date window, so there's nothing to worry about. This, like the Field Black, has the 24-hour increments on the inside as well as the minute increments on the outside. The lume on this thing is incredibly bright. If you walk outside with it and then come back in, it looks like it's literally lit up. I don't even know if that's going to do it justice. I'll see. Alexa, turn off key light. See if I can block off some of the light here. It's incredibly bright. Alexa, turn on key light. The back, the display case backing, I love that feature. Really nice. The bracelet itself, the steel bracelet, I can say is very comfortable for my wrist, which is about, I think, a 6.5-inch wrist. It wears very nice. I was able to adjust it finally with the small steps on the inside of the bracelet here. And I removed, I believe, 3 links from this band. And it wears very nice and comfortable. It's not noisy. There's no rattling or anything like that. The PVD coating, it's inspired another loadout. So I'm going to have another themed loadout. I'm pretty sure you can tell what the theme is going to be, but I'll have that coming up next. I love when Vaer reaches out. They're a really nice company to work with. Their shipping times are really great. Their response to emails, if you ever have questions, is really quick. For an automatic watch of this caliber, it's a really good price, especially considering that it's fully assembled in the USA. These straps from all your other watches will work. These are aftermarket straps, totally fine. They'll work completely on this watch as well. So you can mix and match whatever straps you'd like. I believe these are different color looms too. So let's see if I can get all 3 of them in one shot. See, that one's blue. This one's more yellowy green. And this one's, I think, the same as those. Alexa, turn off key light. Field black is slightly more blue than the other two. I still think this is probably the brightest lume. Alexa, turn on key light. Is there anything about the watch I don't like? Honestly, not really. Like, this thing is a really nice watch. The strap, I mean, it has a little bit of a sharpness to the end, or to the sides of the links. I think that's just a characteristic of steel straps, honestly. I don't have a lot of steel straps. I used to wear them a lot when I was younger, but the case feels really nice. They really chamfered the edges and smoothed it out. Everything feels really well put together and well thought out. It looks phenomenal. You guys definitely will see it in future videos and on the channel. But if you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Check out Vaer. I'll drop a affiliate link in the description. If you guys want to help the channel out, if you're thinking about making a purchase of a Vaer watch, please click the link. It allows me to keep making videos. And if you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Today, we're going to take a look at the A5, the Vaer. We're going to look today, we've got a new watch in. Check out yeah. Anyways, I'm rambling. See you on the next one.